The hood of your car is held up by a hood prop or a hood strut or a hood rod, whatever you want to call it. But there's something underneath the hood that holds it up for you. Some of these you set up yourself, other ones are automatic, but over time they wear out and they break and they don't work anymore. You can come up with creative ways to hold your hood open, or you could buy a set of new ones, take a few minutes, and replace it. It's real easy. All you need is a flathead screwdriver to pop up this tab, and you're in business. Take your flathead screwdriver, pry up on the tab, and just give it a little pull. And to put the new one on, just give it a little push. And that's it.